Hello guys, welcome to the last episode of Sylhet. So today we are going in Madhabkunda waterfall. Madhabkunda waterfall is the largest waterfall of Bangladesh. It's located in Maulvibazar district of Sylhet division. It's actually inside the eco park, so we have to walk for a few minutes to reach the waterfall. So that's the waterfall for what we came here. Waters are falling from about 200 feet above and the green trees are surrounding the waterfall. It's looking fabulous from here. So that's all from Significant Sylhet. See you in the next video from somewhere else. If you like this video, please share it with your friends.